This is the AI News Flash for May 15th, 11 a.m. UTC. First up, Cerebras Systems stock fell sharply on its NASDAQ IPO debut day. The highly anticipated AI semiconductor startup saw its share price drop significantly below the IPO, offering price after market open, exposing a gap between investor expectations and market reality. Cerebras is positioned as a challenger to NVIDIA's GPU dominance with its wafer-scale engine technology for inference workloads, holding major contract pipelines with G42, Anthropic, and OpenAI. While expected to be a top destination for institutional allocation in the second phase of AI infrastructure investment, the rough debut highlighted the difficulty of challenging NVIDIA's over $5 trillion market cap monopoly. Second, Cisco Systems shares hit a record high after blowout earnings driven by AI infrastructure demand. CEO Robbins emphasized Cisco's positioning as critical infrastructure for the AI era, with data center networking product orders surging dramatically. Backed by the $725 billion AI infrastructure capex boom from the four hyperscalers in 2026, shipments of Silicon One chips and AI-related networking products reached record quarterly highs. The market formally validated Cisco's transformation from a legacy networking vendor into a key AI infrastructure player, drawing institutional investor attention as a beneficiary alongside NVIDIA and Broadcom. A third, ServiceNow held its annual Knowledge 2026 conference and declared the full-scale deployment phase of Agentic AI. CEO McDermott emphasized that Agentic AI has evolved from a proof-of-concept stage into a large-scale enterprise movement. Through AI Control Tower and Agentforce integration, ServiceNow offers unified management of multiple AI agents running within enterprises, with the majority of Fortune 500 companies as customers. The enterprise agentic AI market battle is intensifying alongside Salesforce Agentforce, Microsoft Copilot, and Google AgentSpace, presenting a growth trajectory that counters the so-called SaaSpocalypse narrative. Fourth, Samsung Electronics faces a surging strike movement and serious labor management conflict driven by the global AI boom. According to Reuters' exclusive reporting, while HBM memory demand surge continues to deliver record earnings, employees are growing dissatisfied that record profits are not adequately reflected in compensation or working conditions. Up to 41,000 union members may enter an 18-day full-scale strike starting May 21st, raising serious concerns about disruption to the entire AI semiconductor supply chain. With the four hyperscalers planning $725 billion in 2026 capex, Samsung's HBM4 mass production ramp-up and memory dominance battle with SK Hynix face risks of becoming the biggest bottleneck for global AI infrastructure deployment. Fifth, Pope Leo XIV of the Roman Catholic Church is preparing the first official encyclical on AI technology. In recent remarks, the Pope emphasized that communication should be conducted by real human beings rather than AI, expressing strong concerns about the erosion of humanity caused by AI proliferation.
Serving as official ethical guidance for 1.4 billion Catholics worldwide, the encyclical is expected to comprehensively address labor, inequality, surveillance, and autonomous weapons impacts of AI, drawing attention for its influence on global AI governance.
Alongside OpenAI's Global AI Agency concept, the G7 AI SBOM guidance, and the EU AI Act, religious institutions are entering the technology ethics discourse, marking a historic turning point in international AI framework formation. That's all for this AI News Flash.